Good day, friends. Welcome to Homeschooling Channel. Standard 10th Geography Unit 4 India Resources and Industries. This video talks about the industrial sector in India. Industries. The term industry refers to the activities which converts the raw materials into finished products. This sector is called as the value addition sector. On the basis of source of raw materials, industries are classified into the agro-based industries, forest-based industries, and mineral-based industries. Agro-based industries. These industries draw their raw materials from agricultural sector. Cotton textile industry. Textile is a broad term which includes cotton, jute, wool, silk, synthetic fiber textiles. This sector in India is the second largest in the world. Traditional sectors like handloom, handicrafts, and small powerloom units are the biggest source of employment for millions of people in rural and semi-urban areas. Currently, India is the third largest producer of cotton and has the largest loom arc and ring spindles in the world. At present, cotton textile industry is the largest organized modern industry of India. Do you know ginning is the process of separating cotton seed from cotton? The first cotton textile mill was established at Fort Gloucester near Calcutta in the year 1818. Mumbai is called the Manchester of India. The presence of black cotton soil in Maharashtra, humid climate, presence of Mumbai port, availability of hydropower, good market and well-developed transport facility favor the cotton textile industries in Mumbai. Coimbatore is called as Manchester of South India. Erode, Tirupur, Karur, Chennai, Tirunelveli, Madurai, Thoothukudi, Salem, Virudhunagar are the other major cotton textile centers in the state. Jute textiles. Jute is a low-priced fiber used mainly for making package materials. Today, jute is blended with cotton and wool to produce textiles. This is the second important textile industry in India after cotton textiles. Jute is the golden fiber which meets all the standards of goods packing with its natural, renewable, biodegradable, and eco-friendly products. India tops in the production of raw jute and jute goods and second in the export of jute goods next to Bangladesh. Jute production includes bags, canvas, pack sheets, jute web, carpets, twines, etc. Now, jute is also being used in plastic furniture and insulation bleached fibers to blend with wool. West Bengal is the leading state in the jute production, and Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Odisha are the other jute goods producing areas. The headquarters of National Jute Board is situated at Kolkata. Silk industry. India has been well known for the production of silk since the ancient times. India is the second largest producer of raw silk next only to China. Karnataka is the largest producer of silk. Other major producers of silk are West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Assam and Tamil Nadu. Central Silk Board of India is the only research institute in the country dedicated to the research and developmental activities related to silk technology. It was established in the year 1983 by the Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. Office of the Development Commissioner for Handlooms was set up as an attached non-participating office on 20th November 1975 under the Ministry of Commerce. At present, it is functioning under the Ministry of Textiles It's headquartered as situated at New Delhi. Sugar industry. Sugar can be produced from sugar cane, sugar beets, or any other crop which have sugar content. In India, sugar cane is the main source of sugar. At present, this is the second largest agro-based industry of India after cotton textiles. India is the world's second largest producer of sugar cane after Brazil. Sugar industry is decentralized and located near the sugarcane growing areas as they are weight losing and bulky to transport. In India, Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of sugar. Forests provide us different types of material which are used as raw material for certain industries like paper, sports goods, plywoods, etc. Under the heading forest based industries, first let's see paper industry. Paper industry produces many types of papers that comes in various use such as sheet paper, paper boxes, tissues, paper bags, stationery, envelopes and printed paper products such as books, periodicals and newspapers. In India, the softwood is the principal raw material used for making paper, especially newsprint and high class printing papers. The first paper mill of India was started in 1812 at Serampur in West Bengal. The national newsprint and paper mills is at Nepanagar at Madhya Pradesh. Mineral based industries. They use both metallic and non metallic minerals as raw materials. The major mineral based industry of the country is the iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry is called a basic metallurgical industry as its finished product is used as raw material by host of other countries. Several industries like engineering, heavy machines and machine tools, automobile, locomotives and railway equipment industries use iron and steel as their primary raw material. Due to this, the steel producing capacity of a country is generally taken as the indicator of its level of industrial development. The first attempt to produce iron and steel unit was set up at Porto Novo in Tamil Nadu 1830. Automobile industry. India is set to emerge not only as a large domestic market for automobile manufacturers but also as a crucial link in the global automotive chain. It is one of the most dynamic industrial groups in India. The first automobile industry of India was started in the year 1947. The industry is the Premier Automobiles Limited located at Kurla, Mumbai. Chennai is nicknamed as the Detroit of Asia due to the presence of major automobile manufacturing units and allied industries around the city. Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Eicher Motors, Mahindra and Mahindra, Ford Motors are the major Indian companies which manufacture commercial vehicles. Electrical and electronic industries. Heavy electrical industries manufacture equipments used for power generation, transmission and utilization. Power plants, boilers for thermal power plants, generators, transformers, switch gears, etc. are the chief products of this industry. The most important company in the field of heavy electrical is Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Bengaluru is the largest producer of electronic goods in India, hence it is called as the electronic capital of India. Software industry. India is the home to some of the finest software companies in the world. In India, the software industry began in the year 1970 with the entry of Tata Consultancy Services. Along with this, L&T Infotech, iFlux, Galaxy Solutions Private Limited India, or some of the software industries in India. At present, there are more than 500 software companies all over India. It exports software service to nearly 95 countries in the world. Now, let's see the major challenges of Indian industries. Industries in India face many problems. Some major problems are listed below. First one is shortage and fluctuation in power supply, non-availability of large blocks of land, poor access to credit, high rate of interest for borrowed loan, non-availability of cheap laborers, lack of technical and occasional training for employees, inappropriate living conditions nearby industrial estates. These are the challenges faced by our industrial sector. Friends, this is the question corner, which is called as the electronic capital of India. Please post your answers in the comment section. With this, we have completed